What up, people? This is Ashley. Okay, this is a slime video, and I will be showing you my 4 slimes, and yeah. So let's get started. Actually, yeah, let's do this one. Okay. Let's get them out. This is strawberry. She is so squishy. She came out of this squishy. So I named her strawberry because she came out of strawberry. So yeah. Oh, did I look at it? Yeah. So yeah. And sticky. Okay, I'll show you guys her. Sorry if I keep on looking the other way. It's just I'm not used to looking at this little circle. Meow, meow, meow. Okay. Okay. I don't want to waste our time, so let's go on with the next slime. Oh, there. Okay, good. Next is Booger. Booger. Let's go next slime. The next slime is mustard. This is mustard. Well, yeah, it's mustard. It's a mustard. I don't really like poking him because he's kind of hard to poke. Like, mustard is stretchy. That's the only reason why I still really have him. And also because a bubble. My next slime is Sky. So Sky is a blue, extremely fluffy slime. So fluffy. Feels like cloud or marshmallow. I never felt a cloud. That's what I would think of cloud. So he is a very pretty light blue. And yeah, so let's see. She's very hard to cut. I first named her Blueberry. Oh no, here comes my brother. Hold up. Okay. So yes. That was first name Blueberry, and Blueberry was this slime. I mixed 2 slimes. I mixed Sky and Blueberry, and I made a darker Sky. So yeah, I made a Sky, and it's extremely fluffy. See if I can make a swirl. Am I really going to make the swirls with the big ones because that's fun. And I can't make a swirl with strawberry because she's way too sticky for it. Okay, let's put her away. My next slime. Hold up. It goes all the way. No, hold up. Close. Close all the way. Ugh. Okay, fine. So my next one is Pumpkin Spice. She's a neon orange slime. She's glossy. And she's a fluffy. She's not that sticky. I mean, like, she's fine. So, I didn't put baby oil on her. Look, sometimes she's clicky. I think. Not like a pro wet slime, but, I think she's a little bit clicky. Swirl time. Holy cow, okay. It's an neon orange, it's really pretty. There, been swirl. Cute swirl. This is my first channel. Please like and subscribe, and press the bell and turn on notifications. Bye!